mag-send ng 10,000 to 50,000 text messages per day. Wow! We have a legitimate technology. Receiver approve ang mga messaging kaya aware sila na they will receive our text messages. Confirm bang mga cellphone numbers. No Wi-Fi, no data at no internet needed for the receiver. SMS nga kasi. Kaya nasa bundo man sila basta may signal ng Smart, Globe at dito. Lalo na ngayong upcoming election. Mula ngayon hanggang January 2025, ipakilala natin ang candidates. Mag-send tayo ng weekly greetings. Good morning mula sa pogi mong Mayor Chris. Magbaon lagi ng payong dahil maulan. Ingat! O kaya occasional greetings. Maligayang kaarawan Daniel mula sa pogi mong Mayor Chris. Hangad ko'y maraming biyaya, kasiyahan para sa iyo at iyong pamilya. At during campaign period, ito ang direct line ng mga kandidato sa kanilang mga constituent. Pagbati mula kay Congresswoman Grace Cruz, pang number 2 sa balota. Ang capacity ng technology na ito for the campaign ay 10,000 or even 150,000 SMS per day o mas marami pa kung kailangan. Kung ang target ay 100,000 cellphones times 2 SMS per week times 4 weeks per month times 9 months which is December to July, aabot yun ng 7,200,000 SMS. Kung ang target naman ay 1 million cellphone times 2 per week times 4 weeks per month times 9 months, aabot ng 79 million SMS. But wait! Avail our only packages. Kung ang target mo ay 300,000 to 500,000 katao, our package is 350,000. Kung ang target mo ay 500,000 to 1 million katao, ang package namin ay 1 million. Kung ang target mo ay 1 million to 3 million or more, ang package namin ay 2 million pesos. That's unlimited texting up to July 2025. Dahil from November 2024 up to January 2025, getting to know. From February 2025 to May 2025, that is the campaign period. At from June 2025 to July 2025, post-election at mga thank you messages sa iyong mga constituents. But wait, there's more. Kung mag-avail ka ng aming only packages, meron kaming mga freebies. Number 1, candidate mobile app. Sariling mobile app na nakapangalan sa iyong kandidato. Bakit mobile app? Faster distribution through QR code link versus flyers and brochures. Directly installed on the phone and can be viewed or reviewed anytime. Independent and organic registration, hindi lang basta-basta sinulat sa listahan. Direct communication tool for candidates to voters. And useful data management. Kasama rin sa mobile app ay display ang mga candidate info, accomplishments, mga projects, mga batas na ipinisa. Free number 2, voter analytics. We can have demographics, age, sex, status ng mga nakaregister sa iyong mobile app. Geolocation, malalaman natin kung saang lugar marami nag-download ng iyong mobile app at kung saan may mga konti lang ang nag-download ng iyong mobile app, doon tayo sumugot at magampanya. We can also conduct online surveys sa iyong mobile app. Freebie number 3, volunteer management. Through the mobile app, we can assign task management para sa ating mga volunteers. We also have performance checkers and success indicators. During election, watcher monitoring, incidental reporting, or election result. Freebie number 4, service management, customer service registration, and humanitarian services. Dito pwede mag-submit ng mga request ang iyong mga constituents in which they can monitor online. At si candidate can do online approval anytime. Status and update monitoring by all parties. We also have staff management and office operations management. So avail our only packages para mapalapit ka sa puso nila dahil tinetext mo sila palagi at pinapaalala ang iyong hangad na maglingkod. Salamat po.